Welcome inside a modern car tire factory.
Car tires are made from a mix of natural and synthetic rubber. Steel and fibers give car tires strength.
The rubber compound is now ready for tire building.
Old car tires are collected instead of being wasted.
Scrap car tires are transported for recycling.
Usable rubber is recovered from scrap car tires.
Recycled rubber helps reduce waste in tire manufacturing. Scrap tires are shredded into reusable rubber. Inner liners help car tires hold air pressure. The rubber compound is now ready for tire building. The rubber is shaped into sheets for car tires. Inner liners help car tires hold air pressure. Steel belts give car tires durability and strength. Sidewalls protect and support car tires. The inner liner helps car tires hold air pressure. Beads lock the tire firmly onto the wheel. The inner liner helps car tires hold air pressure. The tread gives car tires grip and control. Steel belts strengthen car tires for the road. Now the tire is ready for molding and curing. Green tires are placed into molds for shaping.
Heat and pressure cure car tires into their final form.
The tread pattern is formed during curing.
The car tire is now fully shaped.
After curing, car tires cool before inspection. Every car tire is carefully inspected by trained eyes. X-ray systems check the internal structure of car tires. Pressure tests ensure car tires hold air safely.
These car tires are now ready for finishing.
Extra rubber is trimmed to perfect the car tire shape. Branding and specifications are added to every car tire. Finished car tires are prepared for storage. Car tires are labeled and readied for delivery. Car tires are delivered to markets around the world. These car tires are designed for safety and performance.
Look how smooth that tread is.
Yes.
Right.
It's perfect. We did good work today.
Behind every car tire is skilled craftsmanship.
This is how modern car tires are made.
Subscribe for more factory process videos.